I was presented with a documentary by a non-believer friend who was trying to present me with evidence contrary to the Word of God.
Yes.
The documentary is called The Simulation Hypothesis, and it outlined the crux of the matter was after quantum physicists, including Bohr, and then Einstein tried to disprove it for 30 years. It illustrated the fact that even one individual photon of light that emanated from a star billions of light years away, according to them, rewrites its own record based upon human consciousness of it. And this is by non-believers. And after reviewing the entire documentary, this is after I sent him one on the book of Daniel and explained biblical prophecy and history throughout,
Right.
mankind's history and how it lined up with exactly what happened after Daniel told it was going to happen that way. And he wanted to disprove that with this documentary. But in reality, the documentary, which is a non-believer's documentary, substantiated everything that the Word of God said.
Yes. Can
And
I borrow that from you?
Oh, yeah, well, I can show you the link to it, but it's called the simulation hypothesis, and this is something quantum physicists have been working on since the 40s. But I wasn't aware. I didn't know if you were aware that according to quantum physicists today, one photon of light is sentient. It is aware as to whether or not, and this isn't according to believers, this is according to quantum physicists, it changes its record based upon human observation of it. Actual human, not just, there's a mechanical observation and it rewrites its history that way, it follows its normal path that way, but if a human observes it, it changes its record back in time.
Yes, that's part of what I saw in North Carolina last week. But I need that link to what you're saying. Actually, all of that verifies that when Adam sinned, it affected all of us and affected the whole universe. So secularists like to say, well, one little taking a bite of a piece of fruit wrecked the whole thing. Oh, yes.
So consciousness is actually faster than the speed of light.
So the whole point, consciousness is faster than the speed of light. That's what he's saying. That verifies the speed of concept. Yes, I need to get that linked because it parallels what a PhD showed me in North Carolina last week. And all of it verifies, as you say, even though they want to use it to disprove the Word of God, it verifies what the Word of God is stating. And we affect the whole universe and it affects us. Wow, I'm glad I came today. I'm glad you came today. All right.